Guys, today it has rained. See, this is water here. It has rained. It has rained, and I'm very much happy. We are going to plant like today. And you see here, this is water here. It rained like the whole of last night, and the sun is very clear there. I think now I am free and I'm going to be happy actually. So this is what I've been waiting for, guys. And this is the village here. Look guys, here we are going to cook a natural food which is mnafu managu. So let's get it to cook. The saucepan is ready, so I'll have to add unga, I'll have to add flour, and we stir like, usually me I'm used to put a cross here, so that you pray for the food. Yeah. This is our lunch break. So let's wait it for 2 get ready. So let's we add unga and then we go on stirring like guys. And this is firewood here. But you gonna look down there at the side. And then you look for firewood. That is the village life. My chicken yetu. Add the unga, and then now it is ready for stirring. You add the unga, and then you have to measure like, so you're going to cook. Tomato. Unga itatosha. Hii mambo ya village. Village lifestyle. after stirring, you wait it for like some minutes, and then it is going to be ready. Remember, other people use oven alike. They use the stir, and they put it in the oven. But us as the village, if you don't cook ugali to an extent that someone will not ignore it. Kama ni mbichi watu hawakuli. Watu wanapenda ugali. Wow. Jamani. So guys, you see, this is the bowl that we are going to put the ugali. Plastic. This is a plastic. I don't have a hot pot, so because this is not a fillet. So let's move the ugali. Oh, Jesus. Wow. Remember, this is for how many people? 3 people. We are going to eat. You know, when we were sick, we were feeling like no food to pass even in front of me. But now that I am well, hey, I can eat to an extent I don't want to know. No one is business about eating, guys. If you are very kula. So this is the sufuria. I have to go and so that I do the vegetables. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have not subscribed, please go do it. We are heading to 3,000 subscribers. Please guys, go do it if you have not done it. Please help me to do it. See how natoka majasho because I'm looking for videos here and there, guys. So supporting. So guys, we are going to cook vegetables, and this is the cooking oil. When you buy cooking oil, 50 shillings, that's $0.1 is up to this side here. This side, and full bottle up to here is $1. This is cooking oil. Oh yeah. Just break a kitongu. So guys, I'm going to put the onions. Of the onions, I put the tomatoes. You know, there's scarcity of tomatoes, so I don't know. Here we buy, they are very expensive nowadays. I reduced the fire, that's why it's going to cook like this. And then we have to stir. Because the oil was too hot to boil. We leave about the tomatoes to get ready, like. So guys, this is managu. Peru was called it suge. So here it is, the traditional vegetable. So we have to add vegetables here. So I love to start. Remember, here we are using fire good. Wait. So we add salt. We are adding salt. This is the village lifestyle. Guys, drop a comment. What do you think about this video here? So guys, the vegetables are ready. When it is ready, you see, this is ready, but they are very bitter. They are very bitter. That's why it is called the traditional vegetable. Traditional vegetable. Siri nagu. Managu, 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 managu. Wow.